right, we'll kickstart this edition with some news just coming in. Bharatiya Janata Party National President JP Nadda on the 28th of April made a scathing attack on the opposition, saying that the UPA government used to invite terrorists from Kashmir to the Prime Minister's office. In UPA times, the PM office used to invite terrorists from Kashmir. It was a symbol of helpless government. We've seen a strong government as well in the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, to the cause of which Shyama Prasad Mukherjee sacrificed his life to attain that. मोदी जी की सरकार ने धारा 370 को धाराशाही कर दिया and united Kashmir with India constitutionally is what JP Nadda has said.
यूपीए के जमाने में ये जो आतंकवादी कश्मीर के थे, इनको प्रधानमंत्री कार्यालय निमंत्रण देकर के बुलाता था। ये मजबूर सरकार का नमूना था और हमने मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में मजबूत सरकार भी देखी, जिस बात के लिए श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी जिन्होंने अपना बलिदान दे दिया। एक देश में दो निशान, दो विधान, दो प्रधान नहीं चलेंगे। मजबूत सरकार मोदी जी की सरकार ने धारा 370 को धाराशाही कर दिया और कश्मीर को संविधान की दृष्टि से एक साथ जोड़ करके रखा।
Anupam Mishra is getting us more details on that story, that statement there from the National President of the Bharatiya Janata Party during the course of the election campaign, making startling and strong allegations against the previous UPA government there.
Well, Sneha, we have seen Amit Shah and PM Modi wishing rallies involved, but this was the first rally by JP Nadda, the National President of Bharatiya Janata Party in Bengal, and on his first rally, he launched a scathing attack on opposition, especially Congress and TMC. And while addressing his first Lok Sabha election rally in Bengal, in Behrampur in Murshidabad, he said that we talk about forming a Mazboot Sarkar, but Mamata Banerjee wants a Mazboot Sarkar. So this is the comparison which we have seen BJP had made earlier also. Even PM Modi and Amit Shah has also done this kind of allegations. So this is what JP Nadda has said. And apart from this, he has also said about Sandesh Khali issues. A lot of issues that are coming up right now, especially the allegations against opposition, especially CNC, that it is soft on terrorism and other charges like corruption, extortion, abusement and discrimination. These are the issues which was brought by JP Nadda, and he did launch a scathing attack on TMC and opposition.
Thanking you, Anupam, for those details. And for Mishra getting us that report. These were statements, remember, made by JP Nadda in Behrampur just yesterday during the course of the election campaign.